Kollegen Carvalho, als nächstes Frau Kollegin Herzog.
Thank you, Chairman. Knowledge creation within the European Union always the priority, which we manage successfully. However, knowledge management is not so great done in the European Union. I was very sorry to hear that the Belgian presidency could not finish the patent directive as it was planned, but I really hope that the Hungarian presidency will be committed to do its best in the next coming months to get the next phases, which is the enhanced cooperation. Time is the only resource which is not renewable. The time we lose never comes back. We cannot leave Europe only through the austerity programmes. We need exploration of knowledge. We have to expand ourselves, and therefore it is of critical importance for Europe as such that the patent, with enhanced cooperation or with the common European directive, will fly. I would like to wish great success for those who participate and who stand for it. Being Hungarian, of course, we will lose the Hungarian language, but it is a smaller price to pay versus the advantages we will all benefit from. Thank you.
Vielen Dank, Frau Kollegin Herzog. Als nächstes Herr Kollege Manders.
Dank u, voorzitter. Ik wil commissaris Barnier bedanken voor de getoonde dapperheid om het op deze manier naar voren te brengen. Want tijdens de hoorzitting heeft hij beloofd om tijdens dit mandaat